Hey guys, this video is going to serve as a quick introduction for what we're going to be covering in this course. I know what it feels like when you first get accepted and then you only have those 25 slots to fill, and what it's like trying to come up with a design that is going to do well and sell over and over again so you can continue to grow your Merch by Amazon t-shirt business and go from that 25 slot to the 100 to the 500 to the 1,000 to my current level, the 4,000 tier. So it doesn't happen overnight, but I'm going to give you the tools in this course that are going to help you go from 25 to 1,000 to 5,000 and wherever else it takes you. It took me a while to figure it out, but it all lies in these basics, the basic things: following Merch by Amazon's rules to the FAQ, right to the T. Niche research, making sure you're getting into niches that have the opportunity to turn a profit for you and sell multiple units a day or a week. You know what? There's macro niches and there's micro niches. You have to decide what you want to target, and you have to know how lucrative that niche is before you make a design, just so you know what to expect. And then the third thing is social media. That's the biggest tool that we have, and not enough people are taking advantage of it. And in this course, we're going to show you how to leverage social media from multiple different platforms and drive traffic to your shirts so you can get sales faster, and then grow the number of designs you have on Merch by Amazon, which is in the end is what's going to allow you to make more money and cross that, 10 shirts a month to 100 shirts a month sold to 200 shirts a month sold to 200 shirts a week sold, which is, the end goal for everyone getting into this program.